Hello guys, welcome back to FinTech Space, and in this video I will be taking you through how you can convert or trade crypto into USDT on Binance and vice versa. So whichever way around it, you can convert your crypto into USDT or your USDT into crypto, and you can go through it in different ways. Currently I have it on funding, so you can also have it on spot. So let's also try the funding aspect. So I want to actually convert Jasmine into USDT. So I'm going to click on Jasmine. All right, so I want to convert 374 Jasmine to USDT. So, and this is the equivalent, just as you have it here on the screen. So you can go through this way. So if you want to go through this way, because you have your funds under the funding section, so what you are going to do is to click on convert. So click on convert. So that is why I actually tag this video convert or trade. Do you get it? So if you click on convert, Binance is actually going to give you this interface. So this is showing you want to convert from Jasmine to actually USDT. So select USDT from the list here. So click on the drop down and select USDT. So you can search for USDT. So select, and also depending on the amount that you actually want to convert. So in this case I actually want to convert everything, so I'm going to click on max. So if you are not actually converting everything, you can just you can actually just type in whatsoever that you want. You can type in, if it is 200 you can type in, and also it will give you equivalent of what you actually want to get. Do you get it? So all right, so let me just convert 150. So let me convert 150. So if I convert it, this is what I will get, 4.33 USDT. So I'm going to convert right now. So convert before the countdown. So completed. All right guys, so now let's go to the second aspect, which is trading. So I want to trade Jasmine into USDT. Do you get it? So how do you go about it? So since you cannot get it done under the funding session, you have to transfer it to the sports session. Do you get it? So now let's click on transfer. So I want to transfer the Jasmine coin from the funding wallet to the spot wallet. So now I want to transfer everything, so I'm going to click on max. So then I click on confirm transfer. So transfer successful. So if I refresh this page right now, you won't see it there again. Do you see? So it's no longer there again. So now let's go to the spot. So now you can see that I now have Jasmine here. So click on Jasmine, and then you have it here already in your spot wallet. So spot wallet, that is where you can actually trade it against USDT. So you have two options. The first option is that you can convert directly to USDT. The second option is that you can trade it into USDT. So whichever one. But the thing is, like, you cannot trade anything less than 5 USDT, but you can convert whichever amount that you have, whether 1 or 2 or 1,000 or 2 million, depending on what your capacity or your portfolio is like. So click on what you have here, so you can see Jasmine slash USDT. So Jasmine trading against USDT. So just click on that. So once you click on that, you're going to see all of these. So you accept, time of use, and answer some of these questions if this is your first time. So I am aware. Yes, I confirm. Yes, I'm aware. Yes, I'll be responsible for any trading losses. So just click on confirm. So it's just for Binance to actually be sure that you know what you're doing. So you get it. So now I want to sell this Jasmine USDT. So I want to convert it into USDT. So I am selling. So it is when you actually want to buy USDT with Jasmine that you are going to leave it on buy. Do you get it? So that is where the vice versa comes in. Do you get? So but in this case I want to sell it to actually get the USDT, but the vice versa, which means that you want to buy you Jasmine with USDT, it's going to be on the what, on the buy. Do you get it? So but in this video I want to sell it so that I can get the USDT. I hope you get the analogy right now. So click on sell, change it to sell. You can see. So now I want to actually make sure that I sell this in the current market price. So instead of leaving this on limit, I'm going to select market, just as you have it here. So if I tap on market, it will switch for me. So It's helpful, so you can just cancel. So market means that whatever the current market price, that is what it's going to sell my jasmine for me. Do you get it? So now what amount of jasmine do I want to sell? So you can decide to input the amount, while you can also decide to drag this button. So if you drag it, you can see that it has already uh, picked every of the jasmine that I have in the wallet. So now you can click on sell jasmine. So click on sell jasmine. So you can do it for any crypto. Like you can see success. So it has successfully been be converted to jasmine. It's just as straight as that. Very simple. There's no to worry about it. You're good to go. And you have your USDT in your wallet. All right, guys. I think I've been able to um, explain to you how you can get to convert your crypto into USDT and also vice versa. All right, guys, until next time, make sure that you like this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. And until next time, this is FinTech Space with Teambees. Bye for now.